Okay. Hello everybody. Firstly, forgive me for this electronic voice. I have an inconsistent voice stream at times. I posted the contents of a PDF document on my Facebook page on World UFO Day, which was July 2, 2018. Done purposely to mark the date. I am going to show that document here shortly. And as you may know, July 8th is World Disclosure Day. This is only truly an official date when and if disclosure actually happens ever on this day. For the last several months I have been looking over government, military, and national security websites to see if a portal exists, for any emergency contact in the event of some kind of airborne or as yet unidentified event becoming urgent. For a citizen to be able to quickly report on any matter. However, here in Australia nothing seems to exist. And what if I needed to report something unusual that unfolds over many days or weeks, etc.? Where do I go to give report to somebody with a specialized understanding? I assume the reason this reporting facility being so lacking, is because UFOs don't officially exist, making the non-disclosure itself, a security risk. And creating a large hole in the defenses of any country for a timely heads up on any important matter. I also tried over the same several-month period to contact major universities in Australia and in person overseas. However, I could not get beyond a no thanks. This is despite having said to linguistic department heads that I had discovered an entirely new form of language and would they like to begin with an email exchange over findings. This puzzles me, as to what universities may be doing at present that trumps my own findings, and makes them in comparison worthless to consider. And so this is why I am talking to you today, to begin a process of disclosure of my discoveries, as they, I believe, may be of world importance. And at least need to be analyzed by a university somewhere to establish whether I have something here at all, or not. I don't see any other way to proceed, as all my other options have been denied, and there may be content here of world interest. It simply would not be fair to the public and others to just sit on my discoveries any longer, considering while I wait to find help with the discoveries and their verifications, urgent messages to countries and individuals go unreported. What doesn't make sense to me is why, if X number of departments want secrets to be kept, that the only option currently is report everything publicly. Go figure. Perhaps control over world media and the ridicule tool is all they need now to silence and control any issue. Watch this space for the ridicule tool being used. Also, I attach a PDF document for yourself and audience to peruse, in which I ask the questions, what if, followed by a list of items that may constitute first official contact. Then I ask, would the above constitute contact made to man from a higher intelligence? And would we have to declare to the world that the historical event had occurred? Notice I am not saying at this stage that the list has any validity, just a what-if scenario list. Made for an international organization I have contacted, to consider, as I think it is something we all would like to know. However, I will be making a statement available to the public on my Facebook on the 8th of July 2018 Australian time. This may depend on events between then and now, as I am not sure how these things may play out. And of course all findings then would depend on analyzing the real list for potentials by a major university team of mathematicians, linguists, electronics engineers, physics professors, etc. I hope this resonates well to all listening, and that the ball then starts rolling to give this, and other related discoveries and events, a fair go in a publicly disclosed process. The Facebook profile is new, you will notice, and has been put together for purpose. I hope we can crash it in the interest of disclosure, to show the world that disclosure time is well overdue. I trust your audience to read between the lines correctly for what may be confirmed on the 8th of July 2018. And I hope the world public gets behind this and take this one best chance in a long while, for some timely disclosures to happen, and of course people who may already want to disclose, may be looking for a star event to orbit the rest of the disclosures around. It is all up to things beyond my own control largely now. The public have the opportunity to energize this all the way to disclosure if they really want it to happen. This belongs to them. Thank you for listening, and look out for more updates on these matters please on YouTube and Facebook.